First, vehicle history. Obtain the vehicle's history report using its VIN vehicle identification number. Services like Carfax or AutoCheck can provide information on accidents, repairs, and ownership history. This report can reveal crucial details about the car's past. Second, mechanical inspection. Have a trusted mechanic inspect the car thoroughly before making a purchase. This inspection should cover the engine, transmission, brakes, tires, suspension, and overall condition. It helps identify potential issues and gives you a clearer picture of the car's health. Third, mileage and age. Consider the car's mileage and age. Lower mileage doesn't always mean a better deal, as certain parts might wear out due to lack of use. Similarly, an older car with higher mileage might have a well-documented maintenance history and be in good condition. Fourth, ownership and service records. Check for service records to ensure the car has been regularly maintained. A complete record can indicate how well the previous owner has cared for the vehicle. Multiple owners within a short span might raise questions about the car's reliability. Lastly, test drive. Always take the car for a test drive. Pay attention to how it feels while driving. Listen for unusual noises. Test the brakes, steering, acceleration, and overall comfort. A test drive helps you get a feel for the car and detect any potential issues.